You cannot pass a bill without consulting the majority. That is the case. We have chairman of all universities here. I'm going to request President Kenyatta University to tell us more. What is supposed to be.
You cannot afford to make a bill for the whole nation. Such kind of cosmetic engagements are only required for public and domestic. We are so happy that the judge, we are so happy. Praise power! We are saying that we are very happy with the judge today. Because he saw it very appropriate. That communist democracy cannot be defined. That communist democracy cannot be thwarted. He said very well that every institution in this country is going to be served with conservative orders. And henceforth, there will be no elections under the University Act. Praise power! We shall call for public peaceful demonstration next week because it is mass action and we urge every community to come out en masse. Praise power! Comrades,